Hello guys, this is my new EDC watch from Pagani Design. This one is Pagani Design PD1718 Quartz Chronograph watch. Okay, the movement is Seiko VK64. The dial or the glass is synthetic sapphire, not bad of course, and the case diameter is 39.5 millimeter. For the thickness, it is 13, and for the band, it is 22 mm, 20 mm rather, and for the lug to lug is 48 mm. Okay, as you can see, this is chronograph. This one is for the start. There you go. And this one is for the reset.